Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Ads account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you change the daily budget for your Google Ads campaign? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to change your Google Ads campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business like I am and you're doing promotion through Google Ads, sometimes it starts working pretty well, so you want to go ahead and increase the budget on a per day basis. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Ads account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Google Ads account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to change the daily budget for your Google Ads campaign, here on the left, you're going to click on campaign. Okay, once you click there, here in this box, you want to go ahead and choose the campaign. Okay, once you've chosen the campaign, right below it, you're going to see budget. So you can see this one is set up at $25 per day. So just click on the current budget. Right, once you do that, you can go ahead and change the daily budget. Google Ads does let you know that on a daily basis, you could end up being charged more. However, for the entire month, you won't be charged more than the average of $25 per day, which would be $760. So all you're going to do is go ahead and enter the daily budget here. Okay, so once you've changed the daily budget, go ahead and click on save. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see the daily budget for this particular campaign has now been increased to $50. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking to create or change the daily budget for a campaign in your Google Ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.